If you're flying into Malta and wondering how to get from the airport to Valletta, this travel guide is for you. And watch out, the ride might get a little bumpy.
You'll disembark.
First, I'll explain where to catch the bus, how much tickets cost, and which Tallinja card might save you money on your trip. I'll also cover the airport taxi option with fixed fares and everything else you need to know so you can weigh up the costs and decide which option is right for you. Before we start, if you find this travel guide helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's a great way of saying thank you, and I hope you enjoy your time in Valletta.
Subscribe! We've just arrived in Malta Airport and I'm going to show you how to get to Valletta. Let's go!
Let's begin with the most budget-friendly option, the bus. Malta's airport is well connected and there are direct routes that will take you straight to Valletta. Here's how to find the bus stop. Once you've passed through arrivals, exit the terminal, turn left and use the zebra crossing. Then immediately turn right. You'll see the bus stops directly ahead of you. You'll want route X4, which runs roughly every 30 minutes and takes around 25 minutes to reach Valletta's city gates.
We're on the X4, which is a direct bus from the airport straight to Valletta. You'll disembark. That's a great outtake. We're on the X4, which is the bus which takes you directly from Malta Airport straight to Valletta Centre. Tickets cost €2 and you can buy them directly on the bus. You can usually pay by card or with cash, but this time round the card machine wasn't working, so do make sure you have some cash just in case. You can also buy a variety of travel cards for your time here in Malta if you're going to travel around, and it's worth getting some of those. I'll tell you about them now.
There are a few different types of Tallinja card available depending on how often you think you'll be hopping on a bus. If you're only planning the occasional journey, the 12 single-day journeys card might be your best bet. It costs €19 and can be shared. But if you're exploring a lot, go for the Explore card, which gives you unlimited travel for 7 days. It's €25 for adults and just €7 for children, so families can make some big savings. There are a few other options too. I'll pop a link to the official Tallinja website in the video description so you can work out what's best for you. Now about that bumpy ride. The bus from the airport is just a regular public service, so luggage space is limited, which is something to bear in mind if you're carrying big bags. Also, buses don't go into Valletta itself. They stop just outside the city gates in Floriana, near Triton Fountain. And here's a bonus tip. You can actually travel around parts of Malta on beautiful vintage buses as part of special heritage routes. I highly recommend trying it. Just note that these are run by a private company, so Tallinja cards aren't valid for those services. If you'd like to explore Malta by vintage bus, boat and on foot, check out my Malta travel guide, where I share my top 5 things to do. I'll add a link at the end of the video. Another tip for your return flight is that you can refill an empty water bottle outside gate 10, saving you lots and lots of euros. Now let's talk taxis. If you've got luggage or you want a more direct and comfortable journey, a white airport taxi might be the way to go. There's a fixed fare system in place, so no surprises. A taxi from the airport to Valetta costs €17 and you pay at the booth inside the arrivals hall before getting in. Taxis will take you straight to your hotel, so it's easy and stress-free, especially if you're arriving late or after a long flight.
I hope that you have a great time in Malta, and if you found this travel guide helpful, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Just hit that button below. Subscribe!
Turn on the bell notification button if you'd like to know when I upload future episodes. Thanks for watching and happy exploring!